Kids, I'm Kev from Taupō District Libraries, and today we're going to look at some famous astronomy words, the vocabulary. And today's special word is... Let's get started, shall we?
Voyager. What a cool name. They're space exploration probes. I say probes because there are two of them, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. However, Voyager 2 was launched before Voyager 1. But Voyager 1 travels faster and visited Jupiter, Saturn, came pretty close to the moon Titan, and then it swung out into deep space where it is still travelling. As is Voyager 2, which showed us the frozen world of Neptune for the first time, and it sent images as a postcard home. Both launched in 1977, a month apart. That was the year Star Wars first came out in the cinema. In case they find life, the Voyagers carry a disc on them known as the Golden Record, which has a recording of greetings in many languages. But they also carry a secret. One NASA staff member was hooked up to a machine to record her emotional functions looking at terrifying images, so that alien life, if they're out there, could maybe understand and think how we feel. Instead of recording what she was meant to though, she thought of her love back home. So that recording up there on those discs, travelling right now at 17 kilometres a second, over 500 million kilometres a year, is one of love and bliss.